What's up guys, welcome back to our channel Easy Guides, and today you are going to see that how you can restore your snap streak without paying anything. So at first you need to open Snapchat support, and then you have to click on this website and you have to click on I lost my snap streak. From here you have to click on I lost my snap streak and how do I restore it. After this, you have to scroll down and click on this form. I tried to restore my snap streak in the app but it didn't work. You have to fill out this form, click on it, and this page will open. So you'll be getting response within 2 hours from Snapchat. So at first you need to fill your username. You have to provide your email here, your mobile number, your device, the friend with whom you have lost the streak, his username here, and when did this issue started. You have to put the date. It should be under 24 hours or your issue will not be approved or it will not be solved. So the snap streak you have lost within 24 hours, that can be solved by this process, but only on one chat. So after describing here your issue, you have to click on submit, and within 2 business days they will be solving your issue, and within 2 hours they will be responding to your email. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you liked it. So do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.